folks, today's plan is to give you guys a great boat ride, but we're also looking for those Atlantic bottlenose dolphins. Sometimes they are rather elusive. We're going to need everybody's help in locating them. The more eyes we have looking, the better.
How high the boat
owns that. She is a very active member with the church. We can always tell when she's in town. That little floating dock down there, 2 jet skis magically appear. 2 homes over now. This big brown one with the 2 chimneys in the boathouse, that is the Roebling estate. That's one of the oldest homes on Clearwater Bay. Mr. Roebling was a steel tycoon in the early 1900s. He actually helped design build the Brooklyn Bridge. Folks, that house has a tunnel leading from the main home out to that boathouse. Supposedly, so you come out in bad weather, check on your boat and not get wet. Old-timers say they also used it during Prohibition. They'd pull the boats in the boathouse, close garage door down, they'd run the booze up into the house through the tunnel. Neighbors had no idea what was going on. To the right of the Roebling, that one with the long white seawall on the bell tower, was built in the 40s by August Bush II, Anheuser-Busch Corporation. Budweiser? Folks, that house sits on one entire city block, guys. It goes way back up in there to the road. The main home has over 80 rooms. It has 3 guest houses, 2 pools, 2 tennis courts, and a 13-car air-conditioned garage. Family sold that estate 8 years ago. Crew got $19 million for that piece of land. Property taxes on that bad boy every year, $150,000 a year, guys. Just about what I spend on Budweiser. You know, might go over a little dip in the pool, maybe a barbecue. I don't know. All right, guys, let's get her out there in the Gulf, see if we can find y'all some here. Let's slow it down here a sec. I think I just saw a fin come up here right off the tip of this rock jetty. These guys gonna do. I'll try to see the right-hand side over here, crew. Turn the boat here sideways. What you want to do, guys? Just keep scanning the surface. They do have to come up for a breath of air. I saw a fin. Now, it might be a dolphin, might be a shark. Does anybody want to jump in and find out? If it's a dolphin, you float. If it's a shark, you go under. It happens pretty quick, guys. Just keep scanning the surface over here. What you can do is watch for the shadow. You'll see the shadow right before they come up for a breath of air. There he goes. 2 up. There we go. Looks like they're heading our way. Now, guys, what we have here is what's called a pod of Atlantic bottlenose dolphin, coastal variety. These are probably females. Usually the females and the young stay together all day long, what's called a pod. Males will leave the pod first thing in the morning, go off hunting on their own. They'll rejoin them again at the end of the day. These guys can reach an average length of 6 to 8 feet, weigh up to 450 pounds, live to be 50, 60 years of age. Very long-lived. Very territorial. They're born in this area. They spend their entire lives about a 12 to 15 mile radius. So we see the same ones out here over and over again. You can tell the difference between them by their back dorsal fin. It's kind of like a human fingerprint. Everyone has different notches and grooves out of them. Just keep watching, guys. They'll come up. Fully grown adult dolphin has to consume up to 35 pounds of fish per day to maintain their body weight. So they're always on the move. They're always on the hunt. Some of their favorite food is stingray and crab. When they come up to the surface and arch their backs, they're doing 2 things. Number 1, they're taking a breath of air. Number 2, they're pinging down into the sand with their sonar to locate their food. Once they find it, they'll swim down, dig it up. You might notice on the tip of their snout, it's kind of white. By digging through the sand like that, it actually rubs the pigment off the ends of their nose. There they are. say? You guys want to try for Dolphin Show 2.0? All right, you guys know the drill. Back in the folks where you want to be.